welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you how to trim a video in Premiere Pro. Okay, so there's a couple ways to do it. Probably the worst way to do it is this way. Okay, so it's already in my timeline. I have this razor tool and I'm just going to cut the parts that I don't want. Okay, and that's cut into two videos, and then I just delete that on my keyboard. Okay, that's one way to do it. Personally, that is a terrible way to do it, I think, unless you're dead set on what you want. What I would do is what I have here. So that same clip I put into my preview screen up here. Okay, so essentially with this video, I want to cut it just before I do the introduction and end it just after I do the exit. Okay, so instead of me doing it the way down in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start playing the video for when the introduction is. Hello. Okay, so it's a little bit back from there. I'm going to use my arrow keys, my left arrow key, just to go back frame by frame. And you can hear it. See? Hello. Let's get to a good point just where it looks nice. Okay, now I'm going to press the I key, okay? Just the letter I on my keyboard, and that's going to create an in on my little preview, my mini timeline, let's call it that. And now I know that when I recorded this, there was nothing else in the video, so I'm going to move my timeline all the way to the end. I'm going to play the video until I find the point where I want to cut at. So that's when I finish my sentence. And then it's on your computer. That's how I make a simple thumbnail for your YouTube video. Okay. There you go. And I press the O key then to signify out. Okay. So now, notice nothing's in my timeline yet. It's all just in this little preview screen. But I have an in and an out point. So now I'm going to drag that video onto my timeline, and it's pre-cut. Okay, just to show you. Hello, welcome. There's the intro. That's how I make a simple thumbnail for your YouTube video. Okay, and that's the end of the video. Okay, it's that simple to cut or to trim a video in Premiere Pro. So, thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.